Choosing the right QuickBooks plan doesn't mean selecting the highest plan just because you don't know what you need or you feel like you may need everything. You need to select a plan that's based on what you need where you are right now. I'm going to go through the 4 QuickBooks plan and break it down to you, summarize it, and make my recommendations based on how I feel a company would best use the plan. When choosing a plan, know that every plan comes with the basics. That means it comes with linking your bank account to QuickBooks, categorizing transactions, reconciling, and running financial reports. But think about what else you need. Do you need to send invoices and accept payments? Do you need to track employee time? Or maybe you need to manage projects and track expenses by job or clients. We're going to go over each plan, and I'm going to explain the overall features for each plan, so this can kind of help you figure out which plan is best for you. The Simple Start plan, I feel like it's best for a new entrepreneur. If you're just getting started, you want to do your basic bookkeeping. It comes with the invoices. You're allowed to track your income and expenses, accept payments. If you're looking to have a clean book for the upcoming tax season, this is going to be the best plan for you. Next, we have the Essential plan. I would recommend this for a business with a small team. This will allow you to add time tracking and bill pay. For an example, maybe you own your own food truck and you have employees that are part-timers and you need to track their time, or an event planner and you partner with a lot of contractors. There's not much of a difference between the features on the Simple plan and on the Essential plan unless you just need the time tracking. If not, then just go ahead and skip this one. Next, we have the Plus plan, which is the most popular one. In my opinion, if you're ready to maximize your accounting software and you started with the Simple plan, the next plan I would recommend is the Plus plan. Features include everything in the Simple plan, everything in the Essential plan. Plus, you have features like job costing, or better known in QuickBooks Online as class tracking. It also includes inventory, progress invoicing, and budgeting. It's great for businesses like landscaping, Airbnb, or project-based businesses. Finally, we have the Advanced plan for when you're scaling big. If you're going to be sending out hundreds of invoices, if you need custom reports, forecasting, automation, a dedicated support team, this is for you. Honestly, most small businesses don't even need this plan until much later. Honestly, my recommendation is to use the QuickBooks Test Drive account. The link will be at the bottom. Play around with the Plus and Advanced before paying extra. Once you select the plan, in the next video, we're going to walk through that whole process of setting up your QuickBooks Online account. See me on the next video.